Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about functions in Python. So what is function? A function is simply a block of code that runs only when you can call it. Or other end, a function is a container for few lines of code that perform a specific task. For example, you have learned about the few inbuilt functions in Python like print and input, right? So each of these functions have a purpose. They know how to perform a specific task. So whenever we are going to build a large complex programs, we should break up or break down our code into smaller reusable chunks which we can call functions to better organize our code, and that's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial guys. So let's write this simple program for printing greeting messages here. So here we can use the print function. So after that add the double quotation or single quotation, no matter here. Hi Pete. After that hit the enter. Again we are going to write another print statement or another print statement here. Add the single quotation. Inside the single quotation we are going to type welcome to Karnataka. Okay, so just hit the enter. Now we are going to type a def keyword, or we are going to start by using the def keyword. Okay, where we can write the def keyword, just hit the enter. Okay, after that just we can start by using the def keyword. See, def is the reserved keyword in Python guys, and it's short for define. Okay, when Python interpreter will see this, it knows that we are going to defining a function. Okay, next we need to give our function name. Let's say greet underscore user. Okay, so we should name our function with lowercase characters guys. Okay, I earlierly told you guys. Okay, you can always use the lowercase character while we are going to naming the function. And also if you are multiple words, we should separate, or we should need to separate them using the underscore. And we should always use the meaningful and descriptive name for your function name guys. Okay, so here we can define a function called greet. Okay, now we need to add some space here. After that we will add the parenthesis. After that we can add the colon. Okay, not semicolon, colon here. Okay, here a bit of error will be there. I need to clear it. Okay, just you can tab here. Again we needed to tab here for the indentation. Okay, now hit the enter. So these two lines will be there. Now these two print statement are inside or belongs to the greet user function guys. You need to understand. Okay, whatever you can code here, it should belongs to the greet function. So this is the thing we need to understand from here. Okay, now we can come out from the function. So that's why we need to enter two side. After that we can come here. Now we are in the outside of our greet function. Again we need to do, or we need to print the another print statement, print, add parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we can add the quotation. So inside the quotation we can type strt start. Okay, after that, after the print statement, we are going to call our functions. So greet underscore, just tab here. After that you can add the parentheses. Okay, now we can call our functions after the start, after the print statement, right? So now we can add one more statement here print double quotation. Inside the double quotation we can type here finish, finish, finish the program. Okay, finish the program. See, now let's run our program and see what happened. Okay, how you can run our program? I think you can know how we can run our program in my previous video. Okay, just right click, scroll down here, run python. After that, run python file in terminal. Okay, see here, we can see the 4 messages on the terminal. Okay, see, let me explain, guys. Let me explain how the flow of, or how the our program will executed. See, whenever a python run this code, see, just I will scroll down here. Okay, see, when the python run this code, it doesn't actually print these 2 lines. See here. Okay, whenever python will run this code, it doesn't print these 2 messages on the terminal, because these 2 lines, or these 2 code are inside the greet function, so they would only executed if I call the function. Okay, if I doesn't call this function, these 2 lines are won't executed. So that's the reason the first start is going to print here. So here our program will start from here only. After that, it will execute the greet function. Greet functions means it will jump over here and print these 2 lines. After that, it will come back to here and execute this last print statement. So this is how this code will going to execute here, guys. Okay, so this is how greet or function will works in python, guys. And also note that order of this code matters. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and you can know how these going to works in the python, guys. Okay, and please don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.